guys, what is going on? Today we're going to be unboxing and installing an electric cutout from QTP. Yes, I already have the 3-inch cutout from QTP, but I do not have the electric. I have the bolt, you know what I mean, the plate. Now, every single time I go to the track or do any kind of hits or want it to be really loud, I got to climb up under the truck, unbolt the 3 bolts, and it's just a pain in the ass. I'm a big guy, and I'm tired of climbing under the truck every single time I want to do it. So now we have a switch, wires, and a cutout. Yes, I did buy the cutout used. I bought it from one of my friends, but he also has all new stuff. So guys, please check out Guage Performance. All your RAM needs, Challenger, Charger, Hemi, got great stuff. Check him out. He's got all good stuff there. I actually bought mine used because I was obviously I got the Whipple coming, so I needed funds for that going on and everything else. So I couldn't, you know what I mean. But I wanted this to get done. This to get in. I'm tired of climbing under the truck, so I had to buy used. But I did get new wires and a new switch, so I'm going to be showing you that. And then we're going to take it over to Mason at Kaspers Korner, my man Mason, who actually installed the 3-inch cutout for me already. He's going to be installing the wires and stuff like that. So I'm going to unbox it, and then we're going to go over there, and he's going to be installing it. So I'm going to show it to you. We'll get a cold start, and then we're going to head out there. All right, pretty simple. Here's the wire. Here is the switch. And here is the cutout. Like I said, it is used, but it works. No big deal. Got it for a very good price, so I can't beat it. But as long as it works, I don't care. So we're going to bolt that up, get the switch going, wire it up, and then we should have an electric cutout, guys. Tired of climbing under the truck. Like I said, I'm a big guy. I don't feel like doing this myself. I work 50, 60 hours a week in construction. I'm exhausted when I get home, so I really don't feel like doing this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get a cold start, and this is what it's going to sound like with it closed. And it may not be an actual full cold start when I start it back up with the cutout open, because obviously I'm going to be driving, so it might be a little warmed up. But let's get a cold start, and then we're going to head over there. Gonna drill a pilot hole?
I've never had that problem.
We got rivets in here now, right? Oh yeah.
Since we couldn't drill through it, you know.
It looked like it was like a couple plated up in there.
I think we got a bare box of self-tap or something.
It happens, yeah. I've done that where they all worn out before.
Yeah.
At work, yeah. Oh, yeah. We had a whole box. I went right back to friggin' Home Depot where I got them from, and just like, yo, they all burned out the heads. All the heads burned out. I got a bad box before. It happens. I actually got plenty of bad boxes, I ain't gonna lie.
This looks a little bit better anyway.
Yeah, I like that. Looks really good.
hole in the floor.
There's a hole somewhere up there. I know that.
Where'd you run the wide bag?
I mean, I didn't. My buddy did it.
Okay.
Yeah. You could follow what he did because probably very close to where.
Nick doesn't do his own work like me.
Shut up. Yo, don't ruin my
You're
video.
a racer.
Look at you.
You're a racer.
Oh, when you don't race?
We're both racers, but we have our Steve.
I have. Yeah, I got my. You know.
Using my Mustang Master Mechanic.
He gets to see what a real vehicle feels like.
So we are here at Kaspers. Nick is going pee. And the cam ram is getting an electric cutout installed. He used to actually do this manually by himself. So he came to the Mamba Master Mechanic in Mason.
Hello.
And he's working on the cam ram. If you don't know his story, Mace, he's trying to do an 11-second pass NA in this car. He's done in truck. He's done 12.2. So all his subscribers want to see him do 11.9. So now that Mason's putting this in, 11.9 is coming, guys.
How we working? How we making out?
I ain't doing no.
What's up?
I'm not doing no.
Doing good?
I ain't cutting a hole.
No salsa hole? Okay.
No, no.
Uh-oh.
Nothing like that, man. You have faith in me, huh?
What's that? Yeah, I like that. It looks good. Thank you.
That work?
That works, man.
Weight reduction, bro.
Yeah, absolutely.
I just cut a little hole.
Yeah, it's good, man.
Might as well.
Do
I
your
just don't
thing.
like cutting stuff we don't have.
Yeah.
To,
I hear you.
but as long as you do it right, it's good, you know?
Yeah.
That's it, that'll work perfect.
Yeah.
Now I gotta drill a hole in your floor.
Yeah.
So.
How we making out? Good?
All the extra wire. Can't do nothing with. Got kind of higher in the floor.
He's running wires right to the 12 volt here. Did I say you're running to right to a 12 volt?
Running right. So someone tapped in already with the.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he went to the
fuel,
air fuel. Yep.
I'm gonna go right to that. Just piggyback right off of the fuse.
Oh, all right. Okay, I got it. Yep. We're getting there. He's a Ford guy, like you said, so he's doing me a favor. We got it open. He's gonna finish tightening it up.
No, it stays loose like that, dude.
Oh, it stays this loose again? Oh, okay.
Just so it gets, you gotta let everything get broken in first, then you come back and torque it down.
Oh yeah. So drive around the block first.
Yeah,
right?
don't go. You're gonna do 500 miles. Don't go over 60 miles an hour, then we'll come back and tighten it down.
Okay,
That's how that,
perfect,
yeah,
yeah.
listen, man. Solid.
More tools.
Anything you need.
Need more tools.
We fast forward a bit. You did the braking miles already. All right.
That's it. You want your block off plate?
Yeah, I'll keep that. Never know what could happen and something could break and, you know.
You don't need this anymore.
Hey!
Here's the bolt.
Yeah.
Two screws.
My 2 bolts. I lost the
Look
one.
at all that. Stopping all the exhaust.
Right, baby. Now it's coming out of here with a flick of a switch.
We'll be part of like the Sigma Society here. Got a little.
Oh. Yeah. You ready to hear it? You ready to stand for the chop? There you go. What? Started open.
Yeah. And then I'll put all, you want me to install this next?
It's going to hear it the best right here.
Stop the comedy relief. Right here, my God.
Even at the exhaust still sounds good. I'm never behind my truck, so I didn't realize, you know.
Cameron.
Finally have the electric cut out, thanks to Mason. Maybe I should let him take it for a drive. Maybe he shuts the hood. Maybe he realizes that. What's that?
It's like right there.
Oh, it's right under there, yep. I noticed it, don't worry.
Yeah, get underneath.
What's that?
The camera underneath. Down.
Say that again?
Down is open, up is closed.
Just push it up to go close?
You gotta hold it.
Hold it, okay. And then it'll just release? Okay.
It's closed now.
Alright. Thank you. Take for a spin if you want. Alright.
I wish you would drive it more.
Is your car on?
Yeah.
Is your car still on?
Yeah. It's on remote start.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man. We just finished up, thanks to Mason. Kaspers Korner, check them out. They're in the South Jersey tri-state area, basically. Hit them up. We just installed the electric cutout. He did the cutout for me last year, but we had the plate. So basically take the plate off every time. Now all I gotta do is flip the switch, open the cutout. It's just much easier instead of climbing under the truck every time. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.
It's closed right now, though, right?
Right now, it's definitely close, yeah.
Like, but let it open up to end it. This is luxury mode, guys. Let's open it up to end the video. Yeah. Grab them t-shirts, Cam Ram, link in description.
Yep. Everything will be in the link in the description, all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later.